In this video, we are going to demonstrate reposting threads using the new Threads app. Let's dive right into Threads. After downloading and installing the Threads app, open it up and start scrolling through the threads. Look for the specific thread that you want to repost. Take your time to locate it among the threads in your feed. Once you've found the thread you'd like to repost, you'll notice a button with two arrows forming a circular pattern. Tap on this button to proceed. When you do, you'll be presented with two options, repost and quote. For this video, we'll choose the repost option. After you've successfully reposted the thread, it's time to check out your handiwork. To do this, simply refresh the page where you found the thread. Once the page is refreshed, your reposted thread should now appear at the top of the thread list. In the rare case that your repost doesn't show up as expected, don't worry. We've got a solution for that too. Tap on your profile icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen. Within your profile section, you'll notice a message indicating that you've reposted a specific thread. This ensures that anyone following your account can easily see the threads you've shared. The concept of reposting threads on Threads is somewhat similar to how TikTok handles reposts. It allows you to share interesting content from other users with all your followers. By reposting, you're amplifying the message and engaging with your audience in a meaningful way. If you have any questions or need further clarification on any aspect of reposting threads using the Threads app, feel free to ask. Leave your queries in the comments section below, and I'll be more than happy to assist you. That's a wrap on this video. You now have the knowledge to effortlessly repost threads using the Threads app and share captivating content with your followers. In addition to that, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon